Hey guys, Bravo Cowtown USA, open house, open house, open house this week and next week. Right now I want to talk to you about some of our biggest rebates of the year, up to $1,500 rebates on our world famous Can-Am Defender. And you guys, we've got the ranch editions, we've got the extreme cattle push guard, we've got massive LEDs, lots of lumens on your LED lighting. We've got the full body protection, goes all the way around. We've got the bigger tire and wheel package on this unit right here. But this is the Tex-Mex edition, the ranch style edition. We've got the steel doors with tempered slide glass windows. This particular model, everybody's getting ready for deer hunting season. We've got heated seats, heated steering wheel, heater with defrost, all kinds of windshields you can choose from. But we've got them here at Cowtown USA. And check this out, our new 6-foot long bed. Check it out, our Defender Pro HD10 XT, 6-foot bed. These sidewalls come off, you can make it into a flat bed. You can put big, I've seen them put round bells on here, guys. Round bells, heck, the other day we put a Kawasaki mule in the back and went for a ride. We toured it around because it needed some help. Can I say that? Yeah, I can say that. But go to our website, biggest rebates of the year, and check this out. We just delivered this one right here to Steve Plank. Nice HD8, hunter green, check it out. We've got the nice tires on it, and once again, nice heavy-duty steel doors. These aren't these plastic ones, and these aren't the ones that are soft that flap around. These are steel doors with tempered glass windows. He got a full hardcoat windshield, completely enclosed and ready for the deer season. So he's going to get him a big buck. Get down here and get the big buck discounts. Open house this week and next week, and once again, a teaser. If you like drag racing, if you like watching History Channel, those guys that race, we got St. Louis Street Kings going to be here with all their hot rods. You've seen them on TV, St. Louis Street Kings. They're going to be here. You can look at their muscle cars. You can look at horsepower, horsepower, horsepower. And they wanted to come to Cowtown USA because Can-Am Maverick X3 turbos, it's the only machine fast enough for the St. Louis Street Kings. So come down here, see the hot rods, take advantage of your deer discounts, your farm discounts, you just trail ride and have a good time discounts. Go to our website, CowtownUSAInc.com.